I was just sent this 3-pack of scissors. Now, these scissors can be used for pretty much anything. They are all-purpose scissors, so whether you are using it for paper or sewing, crafting, these will be able to do it all. So they do come in a variety of different colors. It's an 8-inch scissors, which is absolutely fantastic. I love the grips on these. They've got like a non-slip grip around here, so you can put your fingers in there and it holds on really well. I'm going to bring you in here close so you can take a look at the scissors, and then we're going to test them out. So here are the scissors up close. Here's these nice ridges right here. Fits perfectly in your hands. Absolutely love that. You've got just a little bit of a pointed tip to help you control where you're cutting. And it is all a stainless steel blade. That's a 2CR13 stainless steel. So cutting through anything, I mean, super simple. It's a nice clean cut. Cuts through, I mean, easy. All the little areas here. So that works great on fabric. And then of course with paper, works the same, cuts really nicely. I love how they have a variety of colors. So if you did want one for just paper, one for fabric, one whatever you're wanting to do, you have all of those different choices to be able to use. Glide right on through, cut up whatever fabric or anything else you're wanting to do with ease with this nice set of scissors.